In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Capcut video to your gallery. Whether you're a seasoned video creator or just dabbling in video editing for fun, knowing how to save your edited masterpiece to your phone is essential. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right into the steps that will ensure your video is safely stored in your device's gallery. First, after you've completed your editing within Capcut and you're satisfied with your video project, the next step is to save your work. This is a crucial part of the process, as it not only secures your edits but also prepares your video for sharing across various platforms. You'll notice up in the top right corner of your screen there's an export button. This button is your gateway to transferring all your hard work into a finished product. Once you tap on the export button, the export process will begin. You might see a progress bar indicating how far along the export is, and this usually doesn't take very long, but the time it takes can depend on the length and complexity of your video. It's important to be patient here and make sure you don't interrupt the process to prevent any mishaps in saving your video. After the export is complete, there's no need to manually save the video elsewhere. Capcut is designed to automatically store your newly polished video directly into your phone's gallery or camera roll. This seamless integration is one of the many ways Capcut makes video editing straightforward and user-friendly. To access your saved video, simply open up your gallery app on your phone. This could be different depending on whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, but both types of devices will have a native app for managing your photos and videos. By default, Capcut may create its own folder or album in your gallery for easier access and organization, so keep an eye out for that as you search through your files. And just like that, your video is now ready to be viewed, shared with friends, or posted on your favorite social media platforms. Remember, mastering these simple steps allows you to quickly and efficiently manage your projects, ensuring that you can easily share your creative content with the world. There you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to saving your Capcut videos to your gallery. I hope this guide has been informative and makes your video editing experience just a little bit smoother. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.